Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana in the kitchen, y'all hungry, yeah, talking about what y'all won't eat. You wanna make a bet, home cooked meals, hold on to your seat. It's Nana the Saucy Chef, now let's eat.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making pepperoni pizza roll-ups. The ingredients that we're going to need today are flour tortillas, pizza sauce, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, mozzarella cheese, parmesan cheese, and also pepperoni. I have all my ingredients measured out. So we're going to need 8 flour tortillas. I'm using a 9x13 baking dish. 2 cups of pizza sauce, 6 ounces of pepperoni, 1 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese, 2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese, 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, and 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Okay, we're going to begin with our flour tortilla, and we're just going to put some pizza sauce and spread it out in the center. Use about a tablespoon. You can use a little more if you would like. Next, we're going to take some of our mozzarella cheese. You just want to place it over top of your pizza sauce. Now you want to place your pepperoni on top of your cheese. You guys can use as many pepperoni as you would like. Now we're going to take our Parmesan cheese and just sprinkle it over top of our pepperoni. Now we're going to take some of our garlic powder. Just go ahead and sprinkle it over top, and also our Italian seasoning. Now we're going to roll it up. Once it's rolled up, we're going to place it into our baking dish. Guys, you can set your oven to 400 degrees. Now all we're going to do is repeat the process. Okay, once you're done and you have them in your baking dish, we're just going to go over top with our mozzarella cheese. Just going to sprinkle it over top. Okay, next I started going in with our Parmesan cheese. Sprinkle that right over top also. Now you want to go ahead and begin to layer some pepperoni right over top. Remember, you can add as much as you would like. Now when you're done with your pepperoni, we're going to get some Italian seasoning. I'm just going to sprinkle it right over top. Then last but not least, our garlic powder. Sprinkle it. And now I'm just going to spray it with a little bit of olive oil. And now you can place it into your 400-degree oven for 10 to 12 minutes. Okay guys, look how delicious these look. They're now done. So we're going to go ahead and plate them. Okay guys, so here we have it, our pepperoni pizza rolls. Guys, they have an amazing cheese pool also. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?